BGV preview will be done by HR nowadays. Background verification will be initiated by one of the background verification vendor which is assigned by any of the MNCs. Okay. MNCs will not do the verification. They will assign the background verification process activity to any of the organized vendor. Your vendor will interact with you and they will get the necessary documents. But as per latest update, your HR people will ask PF service history snapshot, or you need to download the service history in PDF format, you need to share to HR people. They will evaluate your service history. If they identify any overlapping and moonlight activities, straightforward they will reject your profile. You cannot join in that organization. Every MNC is following this new guideline in order to avoid dual employment profile in the onboarding process. Okay. So please be careful. If you face any background verification related problem, welcome to approach to me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.